I need to change my brake pads. I know. I'll check the internet. Oh look, a community of fellow car enthusiasts. Maybe I'll make some friends.
Use the search. Use the search. Use the search. Search. Use the search.
Okay. I'm gonna use the search this time. Whoa, 500 results. How to change your brake pads.
Does anyone know how to change brake pads?
Guide to change your brake pads.
Is this where my rotor goes?
Brake pad change.
Is there a thread out there on how to change your brake pads?
How to change your brake pads.
How do you change your brake pads?
The ultimate brake pad change thread.
I heard there's an ultimate brake pads change thread. Someone post a link.
At DIYauto.com, we have thousands of DIYs, build threads, and more, organized by vehicle and type, so you can find the information you need fast. We even made it easy to create threads right from your phone, so join us at DIYauto.com, the ultimate gearhead encyclopedia.